Hey, so I just want to make a video real quick on how I put speakers on my jet ski. So I went to Yamaha and I was getting some work done on the jet ski or something. And I was like, well, how much are these speakers to put on it? It looks pretty cool. They had a little display with some tiny little speakers. And it was $4.99. And I was like, I got 412s in my car that didn't cost me no $4.99. So I was like, nah, that ain't gonna work. I'm not paying $4.99 for some. They're not even 5x5s. They were like 2x2s or something. I was like, nah, dog. So if you get online on Amazon, Echo Gear, it's, let me see if you can see that. ECOXGEAR. So these things are loud and they pair together. So I got two of them. I paid, can you see them? I paid $40 each, and they're waterproof and they float. So I went and got some GoPro little mounts. I paid $10 for a pack of 10 of these, right? And then I paid $10 for a pack of 10 of these flat ones. And they come with little stickies pads that go on the back. So let me show you how they go. So I just stuck them on the GoPro, on the jet ski, sorry. Stuck them on the jet ski right here. Stupid dog. Took the GoPro, put them on the GoPro. I mean, not on the GoPro. Why do I keep saying GoPro? Put them on the speaker, like that. Boom. And let's see how the other side looks. Boom. So now, and these things are loud. They're loud and they last a long time. Like I've never ran out of battery, and I have them on full blast the whole time I'm out. Never turn them off, and I'm out there for hours, and I have them on full blast. So I'm gonna try to get the link and put it in the description. But go on Amazon, get the GoPro mounts, and get them in a pack. Get like a pack of 10, because I don't know. I've never had one break on me, but they possibly could break. But once you get those on there, they stay on. They don't come off. And if they did, it floats anyway. So, and they're waterproof. So like I said, the Eco Gear speakers, they are awesome. And that is the quickest and easiest way to get music on your jet ski. I put my phone in here. I just drop my phone in there, turn on the music, and I'm good to go all day. So hit that like button, subscribe, and that's the quickest and easiest, cheapest way to get music on your jet ski. And they're rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries or any of that shit. All right? Hit that button for me. Appreciate the love, y'all. Take care.